What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this impact socket set. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the set, including one thing you should know before buying. So guys, I got these. I've been testing out a number of impact socket sets to basically find out which one is the best one. Do quite a bit of work with these. And these are actually pretty solid. They're a pretty solid set overall. All right, so the case itself, I like that a lot. There's metric and standard sizes in here. Within, but I like how well everything is actually held together. And then as you can see, the sizes are all across the edge here. They have them all here as well. One thing that I really like is that here you can see that these sizes are actually etched in with like an engraver. Let me zoom it. There we go. Etched in with an engraver here, which is nice because although these haven't really fallen off yet, and I've been using these, a couple months or so, although they haven't fallen off yet, I know that those are eventually going to rub off. It's worth mentioning too, they're etched here, but they're also etched on all of these. So yeah, it's just etched throughout, which is good. I just like how organized this keeps everything. And they've really thought of all the different tools. All of them are labeled here. It's just really nice the way that they've kind of put this set together, especially at the price point. Everything here, I will say, I've used a number of these. I'm not having issues with these kind of, I guess wearing and tearing too much. Just no more than any other standard set that I've had before. They do a pretty good job of holding up. So yeah, guys, I think overall this is a really good set. I think it's a good beginner level, or just kind of like someone who's casually doing things. I think it's a really good set for that. The one thing that I think that you should know before buying, which is slightly annoying, so it comes with this right here, which they basically have it like that, and you're technically supposed to keep that in there, I believe. The thing is, it's stupid to have this, right? It's kind of annoying, so I don't keep it in there. And sometimes, if you're kind of going quick, that'll happen, right? Not like it's terrible. These actually fit in, and then they have these little grooves here to really hold them in there. So they do hold pretty well, but sometimes these get a little bit loose, which can be a little bit annoying. But overall, durability wise, value, price, the actual, whole set itself and how well everything holds together, I definitely think that it's a pretty solid product. So if you're considering it, yeah, I definitely do recommend it and hope that you enjoy.